This is Kennedy's current performing stage, a triple-domed building built in 1837. It was originally a commercial exchange and newsroom, and later an art gallery. Today the arcade houses a number of retail outlets, and also the Newcastle Tourist Information Centre. Kennedy has busked here for 4 years. Kennedy Banda spent his childhood in a small town in the Republic of Zimbabwe, a land in a desperate situation, and with widespread poverty. Kennedy was born into a big family. His father, in particular, has a special relationship with him. He knew from the start that his son was a very musically talented child, and it was him who gave Kennedy his first musical lessons.
Sometimes you get a sense that there's another world, or there's another place somewhere out there after we die that people go to somewhere. And when my dad died a long time ago, before I came here, but when I was here, I had the reflection that one day I might actually meet him in a different world, and I wrote this song. It's called Meet Again.
Since you've been gone, still I see your face every day, smiling down at me from another world. I can sense it, I can feel it, I can sense it, I can feel it. Someday we'll meet again in a place with no more pain. Someday we'll meet again in a place with no more pain.
Instead of continuing to develop his musical talents, at the age of 20, Kennedy decided to go to business school and begin his career in the business world, with the hope that he could help his family live a better life. In 2006, Kennedy set off to Britain, Europe's leading country for business opportunities and success. The idea was that Kennedy would find a good job here and bring his family to join him. But it was here, for the first time, that Kennedy was to encounter real personal tragedy.
There's misconceptions about people, by people who say, well, if you're living in Africa, you go and live in Europe, like things in Europe are all nice and easy. But here, when you come here, you look around you, what you see is a lot of people suffering. So people in Africa are thinking, well, this place is richer. So my point in that song is, no, it doesn't matter where you go. You can be the richest country in the world, but there's going to be a lot of people that are really suffering in a negative way. You know, a lot of people homeless, a lot of social problems, and that's what that song is really trying to say. And it's really a message to the people where I come from.
Nowhere in the UK could Kennedy find the prestigious job he knew he deserved, and he spent far more money than he earned. His hopes and dreams came to a sudden end in 2010, when his wife left him, taking his 2 children with her. Almost at once, Kennedy was left alone. Only music helps him back. Music brings him hope and happiness, allowing him to forget the sadness and misery he has endured. It would be impossible to leave the world until producing what he has felt about the world.
No one knows where you're going to go in the future, but music is, for me, it's what I do. It's what I do now, so I'm going to give it my and everything that I got, yeah, and I'll see where it takes me, you know, yeah. Sometimes it's not about money. Like I said to you, I was getting a lot more money than I was before, but I was under a lot of stress. And I had depression at some point. And so you see, I'm much happier now because I do something that I like. Not doing it on my own terms, so yeah, so sometimes, yeah, I see people going to work every day and I think, yeah, good for them, you know. At the end of the day, it don't matter who we are.
It's an honour for a busker whose work has inspired music fans and passions for years, and now across different cultures.
And to dust we shall return.
Yeah, well, any performer wants the audience to be able to appreciate the music, but sometimes obviously you can't please everybody, you know. There's people that who like your music, some people won't like the music, but that's like anything, like that with anything else in life, you know. But yeah, I do like it when people do appreciate my music, and it encourages me as well. Yeah.
Most of his music deals with the themes of suffering, loneliness, isolation and tears. The lyrics are simple, the melody is simple, but the imagery and emotion are incredible. No matter how stormy or difficult life is, the most important pieces of music return again and again to a deep, grateful, hymn-like utterance. Life is good. It's all worth it.